The Heat Demon Dual Zone Heated Grip Kit delivers reliable warmth to both your hands and thumb, making cold weather riding far more comfortable and controlled. Its independent dual zone controller lets you fine-tune heat levels for the grips and thumb separately, so you can match warmth to changing conditions instead of settling for a single setting. The clamp-on design fits standard 7/8 of an inch handlebars on most all-terrain vehicles, and the kit includes everything needed for a straightforward installation without special tools. Riders appreciate that the silicone thumb warmer adheres securely and heats quickly, eliminating the numb thumb issue that many basic grip heaters fail to address. The control module offers flexible mounting options and bright but adjustable indicator lights, keeping settings easy to see in daylight while avoiding glare during night rides. An automatic shutoff after about 2 hours helps protect your battery if you forget to turn the system off, adding peace of mind on long days of trail work or winter riding.